Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to talk about how many shares of AT&T you would have to purchase in order for it to completely pay for your cell phone bill every single month. So unfortunately, the thing with AT&T is they pay quarterly. So you'll just have to kind of annualize out the dividend and pay it either annually or kind of save it to be paid monthly. So you can see here, AT&T is currently $22.88, 86 cents, sorry. It's had a pretty good year, up 32% year to date. In the past 5 years, it is in the red, but hopefully they can turn some things around and become, either more profitable or, just be a better stock to hold long term. So, with all that being said, let's look at this 28-cent quarterly dividend and pretty much, how much it takes to pay. We're going to use the assumption of $150 a month. Your bill can be more or less than that. You'll just kind of use the numbers and go from there. So we'll see. So 28 cents per quarter. So that annualized out is going to be $1.12. And then, what we assumed was your monthly bill is going to be $150 per year. So it's going to be $1,800 per year. You're going to have to pretty much generate in order to pay for that. And what was it again? 28 cents times 4. Okay. And then so $1.12, and then we're going to be looking at 1,800. Okay. So 1,800 divided by, I think it's actually $1.12 divided by 1,800. Nope. Other way around. 1,800. Cannot type. Apologize, guys. 1,800 divided by $1.12. So it's going to take us roughly 1,607 shares of AT&T at $1.12 in order to generate $1,800 in dividends per year. So how much is that going to cost us to purchase 1,600 shares? So you can see here it's $22.88. So if we pull this back up, times $22.86, it's going to quickly show us that in order to make, roughly $150 per month or $1,800 per year in dividends from AT&T, you're going to have to purchase 1,607 shares and some change there. So a little bit extra. But that's going to equate at the current price of roughly $36,000, $36,739 at today's prices of $22.88 in order to produce that passive income stream from AT&T to pay your bill off, every month there. So that's the numbers. Let me know what you think down below. Are you a fan of AT&T stock? Would love to hear your thoughts down below.